It's Tuesday, and you know what that means? Tricks and tips for teachers. We are standing here in the underground passageway between the Damsaga parking house and Damsaga with this beautiful art created by students during a summer program to talk about how you can create character by combining different animals to create brand new ones. Many of you have probably seen Fantastical Beasts and Where to Find Them. Those are made-up animals. If we're looking at Seuss again, he's got made-up animals. I might catch a fish who is partly a cow. So that's a great way to create character. In fact, to help us understand that a little bit better, I brought some friends with me. Come on in. We can always ask ourselves the question, what would happen if? So your students, for example, could draw a picture of one animal, like a pig, and then draw another picture, like a crocodile, and then ask themselves the question, what would happen if we combined a pig with a crocodile? What animal might we get? Anna, what animal might we get if we combine a pig and a crocodile?
I think we get a crocodile.
And a crocodile?
A crocodile.
And what sort of sound would a crocodile make? And then you always have the question, because they're not in normal life, maybe greatest of friends. Where would they live?
I think it's sort of a swampy farm area.
A swampy farm area,
Yeah.
okay. Now I think you have a cow with you too, right?
Yeah, I do.
So again, asking, we have a picture of one animal and a picture of another, and we put them together to create a brand new animal. What would happen if you took a cow and a pig? What kind of animal would you get? What would that be called this time?
Kig.
A kig. And where would a kig live?
I think we would still be in the farming area.
Okay.
So, but it would be more of a dairy farm with like pigs. So you would have this good milky bacon.
Oh, milky bacon. That sounds good. And what sort of sound does a kig? You said kig?
Yeah.
Yeah. What sort of sound does a kig make?
I think a kig would make a sound.
Okay, now this is so much fun. I think we need to put the crocodile and the cow together and see what we come up with. You've got a picture of a crocodile, you have a picture of a cow. You could also have your students find pictures on the internet or even use characters from stories, just don't cut them out of the books, and put them together. So what would happen if we had perhaps the head of the cow and the body of a crocodile? Yeah, what kind of animal would we have there?
What do you think?
I don't know, what do you think?
I think we have a
cowacroc?
A cowacroc.
A cowacroc. And what sound would a cowacroc make? And the problem is, crocodiles like to eat cows, so then how do you deal with that? What would you...
Isolation?
Isolation. Your head doesn't know what your feet are doing?
Yeah.
Maybe that's where the expression came from.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's a fun way to create character by using different animals and making them up. And who knows, maybe you will create the next animal in a J.K. Rowling film. Thank you.
You're welcome.